Hello my beauties, how are you? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I am going to share with you some information regarding Masoor dal. I will talk about Masoor dal benefit and side effect for our skin. So let's get started without any further ado. Hey, I want to add something more, something more in this intro. If you are new to my channel, it's my request to you, please go ahead and check the content I upload. I upload like natural beauty related skin and hair care videos every week in English and Hindi. So if you enjoy this, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell icon. By hitting the bell icon, you will notify whenever I'm uploading a new video. So that's how we will stay connected, and I hope I explained it that well. Anyways, so let's get started with today's video. Masoor dal or red lentil, whatever you want to call it, is excellent for your regular skincare regime. It comes with the goodness of essential minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and is absolutely safe to try. Masoor dal has almost magical effects on the skin. It works as a bleaching agent. Once you add it to your regular skincare ritual, you will see a noticeable clarity, smoothness, and radiance glow in your skin. It works as an exfoliator and helps to lighten scars, spots, and pigmentation as well. It is a great agent to exfoliate, clarify, and cleanse the skin. The water used to soak the dal can be used in face packs and masks, as it retains essential minerals for the skin. Now I will share you how you can use this Masoor dal. Like for a powerful tightening mask that rejuvenates and tightens the skin, or it works perfectly as a tan removing agent as well. Or you can say you want to remove dead skin, pollution, excess oil from the skin. So there are many types, like you can use this Masoor dal in your face packs and combine it with many other ingredients. You can check out some more videos because I already make a lot of videos regarding this Masoor dal. For dry skin, oily skin, pigmentation problem, facial hair removal problem, you can use this Masoor dal. I will give the link in the description box. All the videos link I already made, and in the comment section as well. You can check out that. Natural cleanser, natural scurb, face mask, tightening face mask, pigmentation, acne, facial hair removal. Oh my god, so many ways. But how to use this ingredient? I don't know. I know you have this question on your head if you are new to this ingredient. So don't worry, I will give this answer. But first of all, let me tell you that Masoor dal is the most amazing ingredient I have ever found in my kitchen, and I will suggest you to use it and give it a try. Please let me know in the comment section if you ever use this Masoor dal on your skincare routine. Anyways, so you can store this, or you can use this Masoor dal in two ways. First one is in powder form. You can just store this powder, Masoor dal powder, for up to 6 months. And lazy girl like me will love this shortcut hack. This is really a hack because you can just store this for 6 months. It means a lot for us because we don't want to spend so much time on DIYs, and it's just save our time. Anyways, the second method is for the craziest one who are really active on their daily life. Oh, sorry, I'm just kidding. Anyways, you can just soak this in water and blend it, make it a paste, and then use it on your skin or on your hair, whatever you like. And now I will tell you, or I will share with you the few tips while you are using Masoor dal. You should keep in mind some tips, some things that I want to share with you right now. I'm sorry, I was so sick for past few days that I can't talk properly right now. Anyways, so first and foremost thing, make sure this Masoor dal suits you. I can't enough pressurized about this thing. Whenever you are try something new on your skin, always do a patch test, because it suits me, it suits your best friend. We all have oily skin. That doesn't mean it suits you. Okay, so it's about your skin safety and it's precious. So please consider it. Do a patch test. It's really necessary. Second thing, if you're using this Masoor dal in your skincare regime, please use a moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer. You have oily skin, doesn't matter, you should use a moisturizer. If you have dry skin, you should use a moisturizer. And yes, use a moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer, because sometimes it makes your skin dry. And third thing, try to use once in a week. Don't extremely use it, because nothing I never suggested to use it daily or extremely, because extremely everything is bad. So try to limit this. Just it makes your skin glowing and it suits you. So I will use it every day? No, that's a big no. And fourth thing, if you have extremely dry, extremely sensitive, I used extremely word. So make sure, if you have extremely sensitive, extremely dry skin, extremely have acne, extremely have allergical problem, this extremely problems on your skin, just consult a skin expert doc or dermatologist. That's a best option for you. Please, it's a request from me, because I want everyone to be safe for your skin. I don't want anyone to do any harm to their skin, and that's why I always pressurized about this patch test, about consulting a skin expert. Anyways, I hope you like this, enjoy this video, and make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, whoever you may thought like this content. Anyways, meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Tata.